Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Clark here, your librarian. There are 3 books I'm going to tell you about that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Beautiful Struggle. As a child, Ta-Nehisi was seen by his father as too sensitive and lacking focus. His dad was a Vietnam vet who'd been part of the Black Panthers and was dedicated to reading and publishing the history of African civilization. When it came to his sons, he was committed to raising proud Black men equipped to deal with a racist society during a turbulent period in the collapsing city of Baltimore where they lived. In this memoir, the author details his challenges of dealing with his tough-love father, the influence of his mother, and the dynamics of his extended family. He tells of his struggles at school, his struggles with girls, and how boys become men. This is one timely story perfect to read during Black History Month. The next book is called Field Notes on Love. It's the perfect idea for a romantic week together, traveling across America by train. But then Hugo's girlfriend dumps him. Her parting gift? Tickets for their long-planned last hurrah before college trip. Only it's been booked under her name. Non-transferable, no exceptions. May is still reeling from being rejected from USC's film school. When she stumbles across Hugo's ad for a replacement train companion, she's certain it's exactly the adventure she needs to shake off her disappointment and jumpstart her next film. A cross-country train trip with a complete stranger might not seem like the best idea, but to May and Hugo, both eager to escape their regular lives, it makes perfect sense. What starts as a convenient arrangement soon turns into something more. But when life outside the train catches up to them, can they find a way to keep their feelings for each other from getting derailed? This is one utterly romantic meet-cute story. I just read it this weekend, actually, and adored it. A perfect choice for February. The last book I'll tell you about is called Faceless. While on a run one day, Maisie gets into a terrible accident. A hot, burning electrical fire consumes her, destroying her face. Where her nose, cheeks, and chin used to be, now there's nothing. But she's lucky enough to qualify for a face transplant. But with someone else's features staring back at her in the mirror, Maisie looks and feels like a stranger. The doctors promised that the transplant was her chance to live a normal life again, but nothing feels normal anymore. Before she knew who she was, a regular girl who ran track and got good grades, who loved her boyfriend and her best friend. Now, she can't even recognize herself. Maisie is on the edge of losing herself and beginning the long, hard fight to find her way back to her identity. This story is emotional, gripping, and not to be missed. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available for checkout at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to snag a copy, and have a great day!